I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at my Hurricane clip-on fan. So the Hurricane is a 6-inch fan, so it's a relatively compact and small fan, and you can see it's surrounded by this cage. We've got the fan blades inside here, and then it's got this clip that you can use to attach it. It's pretty strong. You just basically open this. It's got quite a lot of tension. Then you can clip it onto a beam or onto the side of a desk or wherever you're planning to use it. And then it's got this bracket, so once you've clipped it onto something, you can rotate this bracket around. It's metal. And you can adjust the angle, so I'll show that. So you can see I've got it clipped onto one of the cross beams on my treadmill here. Again, just basically latches on, very sturdy, strong connection there with this metal interior here. Now I can just angle this however I want, up and down. I can rotate the fan around here 360 degrees and get exactly the angle that I want. You can see that it stays at whatever position I put it in. It's great for workouts, like if I wanted to put this on the top of my treadmill for home gym, or in a workshop, if you're in the kitchen, you want to get a little bit of airflow going, anywhere where you want to have a small fan that's, again, easy to connect to something using the clip. Other nice features here, it's not a battery-powered fan. It does plug into the wall, and that's nice. I've got it going into an extension cord and then into my outlet here, so you don't have to worry about changing batteries, and it also means that it's quite powerful. So there's two different speed settings. If we look at the back here, there's our switch. We're in off right now, and I can go to either of the two settings. So getting a close-up here, we can go on to 1, which is the lower speed. You get nice airflow, not too loud, not too much movement there. Let's bump it over to 2. You can hear the fan pick up. And you get a good amount of airflow coming out of that. So it's nice to have those two different settings, a little bit louder, a little bit more air there. Obviously be careful if you have kids. The protective screen on the front here is pretty good, but you don't want to have anything that would go into that and contact the fan blades. Otherwise, nice to have this 360-degree cage around the fan. Still keeps it very compact, and then when we want to switch it back off again, we just put this switch over to the middle setting. So very simple, high quality, good amount of airflow there, and I like that it does plug into the wall, so you just don't have to worry about those batteries.